Binance boasts surplus reserves bolstering confidence after FTX fallout. Crypto reserve. Cryptocurrency. Proof of reserves. Author. Jimmy Aki. Author. Jimmy Aki. About author. Jimmy has nearly 10 years of experience as a journalist and writer in the blockchain industry. He has worked with well-known publications such as Bitcoin Magazine, CCN, and Blockonomi covering news. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. May 7, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. Excess reserves above 100% indicate stronger exchange stability than competitors. USDT deposits grew 2.6% as investors shifted to stablecoins amid volatility. Government partnerships establish practical crypto use beyond speculation. Binance says its vaults hold 102% of customers' Bitcoin and a hefty 206% cushion in BUSD excess reserves meant to silence post-FTX jitters. The world's largest exchange insists every withdrawal can be paid on demand. The May 8 proof of reserves snapshot Binance 30th shows surpluses across 37 assets verified with zero-knowledge proofs and Merkle trees offering traders the transparency regulators have yet to mandate. Reserve surpluses create withdrawal safety nets. The report details reserves for the 37 assets, including 616,886 BTC, which exceeds the 604,886 Bitcoins held by users. Other tokens like ETH, USDT, and SOL maintain their reserves above the 1:1 target. Crypto reserve surpluses also ensure the platform can honor withdrawal requests without drawing on corporate funds. Binance 30th monthly proof of reserves (POR) report captured on May 1 broke down changing customer balances. CoinMarketCap pegs aggregate user funds on Binance at close to $140 billion. The exchange's zero-knowledge proofs and Merkle tree verification lets users verify their balances without exposing the data of others. Corporate wallets are also not included in the calculation to prevent double counting. POR statements have become the sector's preferred transparency tool after FTX collapsed in 2022. At press time, Binance users held Bitcoin valued at $58 billion, down 1.35% from April, while 5.28 million ETH slid 3.36% to roughly $9.5 billion. Additionally, BNB balances dipped 0.74% to $39.24 million, about $23 billion. At the same time, USDT deposits rose 2.61% to $29.05 billion, indicating a shift toward dollar-pegged tokens amid market turbulence. Non-Bitcoin assets altogether stood at nearly $82 billion. Binance has issued an attestation every month since, contending that public on-chain evidence fosters confidence more effectively than private audits. Regulators still debate formal reserve mandates, yet Binance now supplies one of the longest uninterrupted data sets in the industry. How Binance is shaping Central Asia's blockchain future. After proving its financial stability through reserves, Binance expands its influence beyond day-to-day trading. The company is seeking to shape blockchain infrastructure in emerging markets, starting with a collaboration in Central Asia. The global exchange teamed up with Kyrgyzstan to build a nationwide crypto payment network and roll out blockchain education programs. Both parties signed a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) on April 3. Binance Academy will work with local universities and training centers to deliver hands-on blockchain and digital assets courses for the government, institutions, and the general public. By training Kyrgyz professionals in Web3 technologies, Binance seeks to develop homegrown talent for creating a digital-first economy. Binance will also deploy its pay-and-receive infrastructure, allowing merchants and users nationwide to transact with crypto. The former Binance CEO was also tapped for an advisory role on Kyrgyzstan's National Crypto Council, emphasizing Binance's commitment to advising governments on regulatory frameworks. Is Binance Pay the future of crypto-powered tourism? Trust in Binance has played a key role in its acceptance by governing bodies worldwide, paving the way for major innovations in the financial sector. The platform's Binance Pay service continues to transform global commerce. The most recent implementation comes from the Kingdom of Bhutan. Over 130,000 tourists are expected to visit Bhutan in 2025. Following the partnership, Bhutan will become the first country to adopt crypto payments nationwide for the tourism sector. Visitors to Bhutan can now use their crypto balances for everything from airline tickets and hotel stays to local purchases. Merchants gain instant settlement of crypto transactions in the local currency. Before this, Binance Pay announced a partnership with Xmoney, a leading European Web3 payment solutions provider, to expand crypto payments across Europe in its quest to be a leading cross-border financial provider. Frequently asked questions (FAQs). Does Binance Per system account for off-chain liabilities that could affect solvency? Binance Per currently only verifies on-chain assets. It doesn't audit off-chain liabilities like loans or derivatives exposures that could impact overall solvency, a key transparency gap. How would Binance handle a bank-run scenario where withdrawals exceed liquid reserves? In 2022, the exchange faced mass withdrawals. Users moved out over $1 billion in the aftermath of the FTX collapse. Despite the pressure, Binance held firm and the exchange has published its reserves every month since then. But no fortress is unbreakable. When market confidence shatters, even the strongest might struggle. Why doesn't Binance use third-party auditors instead of self-reported Merkle proofs? Binance uses Merkle proof systems to provide faster, user-verifiable snapshots of on-chain reserves. However, this approach lacks independent third-party audits to verify asset ownership and off-chain liabilities, leaving a substantial transparency gap in assessing overall solvency. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Expert makes bold claim. XRP's future price is already locked in. XRP price prediction. Here's when experts say $1,000 could become reality. XRP price ready for comeback. Analysts see bull movement and strong potential for upward trend. Altcoin news. $330 million in BTC laundered through Monero. XMR jumps 50%. April 28, 2025. By Amin Ayan. Altcoin news. SEC clears ProShares XRP futures ETFs to launch on April 30th. April 28, 2025. By Shalini Nagarajan. Blockchain news. Movement Labs suspends co-founder after suspicious move. Token activity. May 2, 2025. By Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy for 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 2 days ago. By NSS, Tavares. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. 3 days ago. By NSS, Tavares. 12 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025. Full pre-sale list. March 3, 2025. By Meb Keelikutty. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 4 days ago. By NSS, Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.